Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Polygon Matic massive jump. At this time, the Polygon massive approximately 27.41% positive jumps occur. Jumps positive changes occur in the price of the Polygon. Very absolutely at this time, Polygon Matic taking a very high jump. So in this video, I'm shared with all of you speeches there, friends. And if you are new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and update, friends. Let's see the more details of Polygon Matic, friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Polygon Matic in the market. 1.20 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the Polygon Matic, and 32 is the market rank at this time. 32 per position of the Polygon Matic at this time in the cryptocurrencies market, friends. And friends, the highest price of the Polygon Matic is 1.22 USD dollar is the highest price of the Polygon in the last 24 hours. Absolutely, Polygon Matic taking a high jump from the previous last one day. Absolutely, there's a massive jump occurring in the Polygon Matic. Let's check it out. The price chart of the Polygon Matic. What's going in this time in the Polygon? Oh my goodness! Absolutely, the Mac Millionaire. Polygon Matic Mac Millionaire. As you can see here, that's only the 2 days jump of the Polygon Matic. At this time, absolutely very fastly moving up cryptocurrencies at this time in the market. So I hope that Polygon Matic give you a good amount of profit in the future, friends. But you have to only do a one work. Please hold Polygon Matic with the last of this month, friends. Don't do this mistake and don't sell Polygon Matic. That is the quick jump of the Polygon. And I hope that this jump is continue for a long time, friends. And my prediction is next. What's the next move occur? The next is that I know that Polygon Matic in the future they fast down for a little time, but remember that after a little fast the Polygon Matic take again jump. As you can see here, same like that at this time the Polygon Matic fast down, and after this fast, as you can see at this time, same like this fast occur at this point, friends. And after occurring this fast again, after this fast they again take a jump, friends. So absolutely the next move is a fast, but after some fast they again start moving upwards. So don't sell your Polygon Matic in this time, friends. Hold your Polygon Matic throughout this month, friends. That's my personal recommendation for all of my viewers, for all of my subscriber at this time, friends. Let's see the price statistics of the Polygon Matic at this time. The price is 26.72% increase, and if we look the trading volume, so as you can see here, the price of the Polygon Matic is going positive. So the trading volume of the Polygon Matic is also increased with the rate of with the percentage of 78.15% trading volume increase. A lot of people invest in a Polygon Matic. That is why the trading volume increase, because they know that the Polygon have a bright future at this time, friends. So what's your prediction about Polygon Matic? Please share your opinion about Polygon in the comment box. And kindly, friends, once again I'm request all of you that please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.